quick tour of the pantry. We have flowers, cocoa, so I guess you would call that, yeah, the flour slash sugar section. Moving along into other baking goods, including baking soda, yeast, condensed milk. You'll notice I'm talking quietly because, again, this is a later video night. Try not to make too much noise and wake anyone up. Cupcake mixers, look at that, just heaps of stuff. Up here we've got alcohol, cordial, the medicine container, some old workout products, don't get used. I should probably get rid of them. Okay, moving down into the second shelf, we have tinned goods, including beans and chickpeas, more baked beans and corn, more spaghettis, tuna. Gets a fair bit of turnover, this little section here. Soups. Oh, now we've got sauces, a couple of soup sauces, some SPC fruit there. Over in this corner you'll see some pasta, lasagna sheets, and some products that maybe don't get used as much, like your polenta, things like that. Spreads, peanut butter, Vegemite there, honey, jam. Some really exotic sort of dessert sort of spreads there, check it out. Honey, don't mind a bit of honey. Moving along, we've got our sauces and oils and vinegars. So gotta sort that out there. Okay, yeah, tomato sauce, mustard, white wine vinegar, it's all good. We've even got this nice olive oil spray, can be convenient way. Now, moving into a nice little herb rotisserie sort of storage device. Here we go, coffee. As you can see, we've got people who love the caramel coffee, green tea, black tea, salt, peppers, a few more herbs out the back there. Well, we're going 2.5 minutes. We've only done 2 shelves. This is the most exciting YouTube stuff you'll ever see. Down here, we have Milo's, teas, some muesli bars and sort of small packaged goods, good for lunch boxes, bread, a couple of pizza bases that were bought today. That's some weird chocolate fondue kit from the chocolateria. We have cakes, chips, biscuits. So this is really turning into the shelf of no unhealthiness, really. Some crisp puds, popcorn, 2-minute noodles. Now this one's all like berries and dried fruit and sultanas and things like that. Don't go into it too often, I must admit. Some nuts, things like that in there. This one's full of packet sauce mixes, so like we've got lots of meals there. Some rice, some of those quick rice cups as well. Curried sausages, look at it all. Okay, now the fourth column here, fourth shelf I should say, cereals. Look at all that. Such a plethora, such options. We are so lucky to have so many food options here. And moving along here, there's also some appliances that we just run out of room there for. Rice cookers, slow cookers, and that goes onto the floor as well. More, it's turned into general storage, lunchbox things, which I'm not sure about. And that Coke 10-pack was half price, so I had a big sweet potato there, just sitting on the bottom shelf. Alright, that's the video for today. Welcome.